Hello, welcome to Vonnie Talk. Most straightening machines are designed for low tube and bars. But what if your product is square, rectangular, or hexagonal? Using a round bar straight on a shape profile will crash the corners of leaf you with twisted, unstable material. Today, we are looking at a precision special shape tube and bar straightening machine built specially for non-round cross sections. It corrects both bending and twist while preserving the original profile's gentleness. Let's see how it works. Why special shape profiles need dedicated straightening? Shape profiles, square, rectangular, hexagonals, are produced by cold drawing, extrusion of low forming. Like raw materials, they develop bends and curvature, but they also suffer from twist, a helical deformation along with the length. If you try to straighten a square tube in a standard to roller straightener, the flat sides will be indented and corners may crack. A dedicated special shape straightening uses rollers with matching grooves that contact by only the indented surface. Typically, the flat sides of square of the aspects of hexagonals, applying pressure evenly without damage the profile. Automatic loading and unloading for shape materials. Like round bar straighteners, this machine can be fully automatic. The infit magazine accepts bundles of shape material. A lift mechanism releases one pieces at a time. Critical step. The profile must be oriented correctly before entering the rollers. For a square tube, the flat sides must align with the roller grooves. Sensors of mechanical guides ensure proper rotation. Then the material passes through the roller train automatically. After straightening, it is discharged onto an exit stacker. One operator can handle thousands of meters per strip. Step-by-step straightening process, including twist correction. Let's break down the process for hexagonal bar. Step 1. The bar enters the first roller pair. The rollers have a hexagonal groove. The bar is pushed and rotated by the angle rollers, which begins to reduce overall pressure. Step 2. The medial roller pair is designed to apply a counter twist. If the bar has a right-hand twist, the rollers are set to induce a slight left-hand bending moment, cancelling the twist. This is unique to shape profile straighteners. Step 3. The final roller pair irons out any reduced local waviness. Throughout the process, the profile's cross-sectional shape is maintained because the rollers only contact the indent face. No added crashing. A 6-meter square tube can be straightened in about 15 seconds. Precision, tolerance, straightness, twist, surface. What precision can you expect? Straightness, typically less than 0.2 mm per meter of length of steel profiles. High-end machines achieve less than 0.1 mm per meter. Twist, less than 0.5 degree per meter, virtually imperceptible. For comparison, a twisted hex bar might start at 5 to 10 degree per meter. Surface quality. The rollers are polished, of course, to prevent scratching. No indentation marks on flat sides. These tolerances are essential for applications like linear guides, arterial railings of precision machine components. Material and profile range. What can you straighten? Square tubes from 10 to 10 mm up to 18 with 18 mm. What thickness? 0.8 to 6 mm. Rectangular tubes, for example, 16 with 30 mm. Hexagonal bars across flats from 8 mm to 15 mm. D-shape, triangle, and custom profiles with custom machine rollers. Materials, carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, brass, aluminum, titanium. The machine can also handle solid special shape bars, not just hollow tubes. Advantage with long bar straightener. Why not just use a standard round straightener with a large opening? 3 reasons. 1. Twist. Round straighteners don't correct it. A square tube will leave the machine still twist, just straighten in bending. 2nd. Surface damage. Round rollers contact the corners, threatening of marking them. 3. Dimensional change. Without profile, match grooves, the cross-section can be squeezed out of tolerance. A dedicated special shape straightening protects your profile geometry, removes twist, and delivers consistently straight material, direct, usable for welding, anodizing of machining. Safety maintenance. Safety is standard, fully enclosed guards with interlock switch. Maintenance focus on the roller grooves. Inspect for wear after each sweep. Woven grooves will mark the profiles. Changeover between different profiles involves swapping roller curvatures. A 20 to 30 minute job using a lifting edge. Keep the roller bearings greased and the drivetrain tensioned. With proper care, the roller sets last for millions of meters. That's the precision special shape tube and bar straightening machine, essential for anyone working with square, heads of rectangular profiles. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more industrial machine deep dives. Have a helical profile you need to straighten? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching.